Hey, welcome back on another video for showing you this time how to install a sensor on your 3D printer. Obviously I don't have sensor in my hand, but in matter of second I'll have some. So in this video I'll show you how to install this sensor the easiest, the cheapest, and whatever you want way is the most simple and yep, the easiest, obviously. So I get an issue like 1 year ago when I purchased both of my printer. I can't install any of those sensors, so that was really boring, and I was working with a mechanical sensor, and that was really hard for me because not all my print was perfect, but most of them was really great. And I really think a lot that my sensor will really improve my print quality. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I pass this issue and how I'll solve it for like $3. That's really cheap, instead of buying like all optocoupler things and stuff. That's not really useful at the end. So this technique was provided by Ed from Facebook, so I really thanks him for helping me, because without him I won't make this video happen and my sensor works. So really thank you to Ed from Texas. So hi to all the American person who watch me. I really do appreciate it. I love your country. So first, here is my printer, and this is my other printer, which is right there. And yep, this technique works on both of my printer. So all you need is, if I find them back, here you have it. This is the way to install the sensor. This is Zener diode. I just buy it from Amazon for like 3.5 euros. In general, that's really cheap. So, and I'm going to show you how to install them, and it's really easy. And this is the other sensor that I install on my A8. So there you have it, and it's installed really easily. All you need is obviously a sensor. Like I have the cheapest one I found on Amazon, and this is the one which working. But you all the link in the video description for the Zener diode and the sensor. I paid like 3 euros, so that's of course $4 around. First step is to bring what I don't have, calipers, I don't know, peel off the gray cable. By the way, when I'm going to do that, you need to install Marlin on it, and I just install it on my A8, which is just behind me. And I'm going to switch it off because it's making a lot of noise. You do have to remove a lot of cable, because the brown cable, which is right there, you'll have to plug it into the 12 volt enter. Like 10 centimeters will be way enough. And yep, this is it. That will be enough. And you're gonna peel off the end of the cable for showing the wire, just right there. You're gonna cut them like this much, because they need to be shorter. So there you show the wire once again, and for the blue one too. By the end you'll need to get the black and blue one shorter than the brown one. So then when you get this done, you'll get your Zener diode, and you're gonna make it in U shape. So as you may see, there is 2 ports on the Zener diode. So there is a black side and a normal side. There you have it. The black side. One little tips, what you're gonna do for plugging your sensor into your motherboard, you're gonna take back this mechanical sensor, and you're gonna just cut this wire, and you're gonna just plug it into the sensor, like I'll show you just right now. Okay, so there you have it. This is my sensor with my cable here, and this is my diode, which is right there. What you're gonna do is to bring your iron solder and just put a little bit of iron on the diode, and on the wire, just like so. Grab your old damn mechanical sensor right there, and what you're gonna do is to cut it. And once you've done it, you're gonna put iron on it too. I'm gonna explain you which way you need to put each and every one of the wire. You'll put this black side of the diode in with the black cable, so like so, and the blue one on the other side, and the brown one you let it go. I'm gonna bring this board for showing you which way you need to plug it. There you have your Z-axis sensor plug, like so. This is the first, second and third one. So, black one on the first one. Once you've done that, you're gonna bring your plug and you're gonna place it like you need to place it. So for me is the red cable going into the black one. And be careful, we don't have all the same color cables, so be careful with it. You don't need your solder iron anymore now. So for showing you how to plug it on your motherboard, you're gonna plug this cable on the Z-axis here, and this cable will go on the plus power sign here, but obviously it's not working board, so that's just for example. So this is it for installing this sensor, and I'll show you how it's working on the printer. Once you succeed to install the Marlin software on this 3D printer, you are able to home here all the printer and of course get the sensor working. There you have it, it's homing all like normally with a sensor. This was a video obviously of how to install a sensor on your 3D printer. This is the best way I found now for installing those sensors, because each other way wasn't working anymore. I tried many ways you can't imagine. I tried with many sensors and it didn't work well, so I share with you the way I found the best to install the sensor, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and just share and comment if you have any issue, and I'll try to help you, even if I'm not the best on sensor things, but I'll try. So thank you for watching and see you.